Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to perform an or use AND condition in Excel. Similar to if condition in any programming language, AND condition is used in the Excel. Say suppose if a particular condition has been met, the Boolean value will return as true. Whereas if the AND condition has been failed, then the Boolean value false will be written. Let's see with an example how it works. For demonstration purpose, I have used column A with few values and column B with one number. Say suppose in column C, I wanted to use the AND function is equal to AND open parenthesis, and you will be able to see, right, logical 1 and logical 2. It's showing like logical 1 comma logical 2. So we can use multiple conditions and then it will return the Boolean value. Say suppose 20, I'm selecting that particular value. So it is C3. The cell reference has been selected, greater than 60. And then comma the another condition, 80 greater than 60. So I'm checking this, and if I give enter, it returns as false. Now say suppose if I wanted to validate another condition which is going to be true, like is equal to AND function followed by 100 greater than 60, and then 80 greater than 60, comma 60 is equal to 60. And if you give enter, you will get the output as true. This is how we will be using the AND condition to validate the Boolean values or multiple conditions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave in the comment section like what is the next topic you wanted me to describe in Excel.